Welcome to today's episode of Not Today. Get nasty out there, friends. Stay warm, stay safe.
Well, folks, it appears the snow is just getting deeper outside. As the storm closes in on the Berlin area, we have about 5 inches of snow on the ground already, friends. This is unbelievable.
Definitely
More
not
news
today.
to come. Please,
So I could get about
stay
5 inches
warm,
already.
stay dry, keep those iced coffee filled, and battle this snow as best as you can. This is News Cabin News, reporting live from the cabin. Milk and bread supplies run low. Fridges go empty.
I'm out of my coffee and the snow is getting deeper. I think I'm about to give up.
Excuse me, sir, but can you tell me what you think about today's weather? Well, that about sums it up.